Hi guys, it's 9:31 p.m. Eastern Time on November 23rd, 2017. It's Thanksgiving. My name's John Disk, and this is the Crypto Update. You guys think that intro is a little too long? Yeah. We're just waiting for the page to load. We're gonna zoom out a little bit here. We're gonna center things up, get everything nice and pretty. And what is this? About 50% of the market's in the green and the other 50% is in the red. Quick overview of the top coins there. That's just a random coin, and Bitcoin is down 2.24%. It's sitting at $8,043.97. I just got back to the house, and when I left the house, Bitcoin was sitting at 82. I don't know what. But I mean, it's only $200 in Bitcoin, which is like a fraction of a hair of a decimal, fraction of a centimeter gizmo. But today's high was 82.63, and although wow, it dropped all the way to 78.88. My goodness. I think we should all sell right now. Just sell Bitcoin. Run before we all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Ethereum is number 2. And wow, Ethereum is way up and sitting at $409.16. Today's high, wow, 426.52. That is an all-time Ethereum record. Yep, Ethereum has never quite broken out of 400. It's got close a couple times, but it never. Now, today's the day, Thanksgiving. People are giving thanks to Ethereum and pouring their money in there. Ethereum's up 7.59% and having a great week and a great month too. You go, Ethereum. Finally, we hit, wow, we broke through the $400 mark. Awesome sauce, Ethereum. Number 3, Bitcoin crash ain't crashing. It's up 23.44% on the day. Lots of people coming in, but it's been trading a lot, so this price has been fluctuating all over the place. Today's opening price was $13.66. Got all the way up to $1,767. And that's a lot. That's a big jump for a $1,500 coin, we'll call it. Wow, superb week for Bitcoin Cash. And I mean, look at the month. It's up 412% on the month. My God, quadrupling in value. So anything you put in there is going to quadruple in value in 30 days too, and a lot of people did it. Of course, a lot of traders are getting in there and having a party too. Litecoin comes in 4th and also up at $73.64. Looking very strong. Litecoin's holding its own. A little volatile today, but Litecoin will be just fine. Bitcoin gold all the way up in 7th or 5th place. 2 days ago, they weren't even on the chart, and everybody blew them off as It's just another Bitcoin wannabe, but here's Bitcoin Gold back on these Bitcoin haters. They're buying this stuff up. They're buying Bitcoin Gold and Bitcoin Cash, thinking they're the next Bitcoin. Bitcoin Gold is at $292.90. A lot of exchanges who said they were going to carry this coin still have not carried it. That includes Bittrex. I don't, I didn't look for it, but I don't think Bittrex has Bitcoin Gold. They said they would, and so far, no dice. Up 17.9%, almost 18% on the day, up 93% on the week, and 160% on the month. Pretty much nothing but up all day for Bitcoin Gold. Number 6 is Ripple, and approaching 25 cents again, sitting at exactly 24 cents. It did hit 25 cents today. Apparently adjusted a little bit. About even from this time yesterday, not even up 1%. But, Ripple continues to struggle, but there's no reason for anybody to get into Ripple unless they're buying and holding right now, because you're not going to make any money trading this coin. So I guess people have decided to give Ripple another chance. I don't know. IOTA comes in number 7th in volume and sitting at 78.3%. IOTA is down again on the day. Lots of volume, but most of them are selling off. Yep, it did hit 91 cents today, but quickly dropped and adjusted. And it started off at 91 cents, or 89 cents to be exact. Came up just a hair, and then it's all been downhill for the rest of the day. Dash comes in 8th, and Dash is down a little bit. I was trading Dash in the past couple of days. I'm glad I got out of there. I was having a lot of trouble hitting a lot of resistance at 566. And before that, there was resistance at, I think, what was it, 555 or something. I forget the exact number. Once it got past that resistance, it shot up, but today it's shooting back down. I got out just in time. I've been doing everything right. Wow, very, very volatile. I've been doing everything right in the trading world for the past 2 or 3 days. Actually 3 or 4 days. Making lots of money and having lots of fun, and everything just seems to be going right for me. Zcash, another trading coin, sitting at $306, down 1.69% on the day, also very volatile. It was MONERO I was thinking about. There's resistance on MONERO at, what was it, $155, and it seems to still be there. And, I was trading MONERO, made tons of money yesterday and the day before, but got in for a little while today, and I said, you know what, I think I was the only volume in there, it just wasn't doing anything, and after about an hour, I was like, this sucks, man. I'm getting out of here and putting my money to work, because you ain't working. So MONERO's taking a nap for the day and taking a day off, and what can you do, Top crypto news. Top Wall Street analysis set year-end Bitcoin target at $14,000. Somebody got together with the biggest Wall Street analysis, stock, experts, traders, all these guys. And they took a good long look at Bitcoin, and they're saying it's going to reach, some of them are saying 10,000, some of them are saying 9,000. Some of them are saying as high as 14,000 by year's end. That's December 31st. We got a month and a couple of days, so Bitcoin better wake the hell up and start pushing again. Right now, Bitcoin's taking a nap too. And do you like Michael of Box Mining? Asked Rodney Weinstock. I don't know. He always seems to be pushing something, and that kind of turns me. He's always selling something. And, you know, I mean, he's not, like, screaming by this. I think, of course, I push stuff, too. I'm about to push Omise Go, and I have no stake in Omise Go. I don't give a rat's ass if you buy Omise Go, but I'm going to tell you why I like Omise Go, because Howard Banks asked me about it, and he wanted to get my opinion on it. And back to Michael Box Mining, I think he communicates very well. I think he's trustworthy. But he always, I don't know if they're paying him to sell it. He's always got a product or a coin, or he's always, you know, saying, this is great, this is awesome. And that doesn't mean anything. He could really, really, truly mean that, but I'm a little skeptical there. I want to like him, but, yeah, Rodney, I can't say I'm a huge fan. I like him, but I don't love him, okay? And that's all I'm going to say. Howard Banks asks, I've heard some good things about Omise Go. What do you think? I wrote an article about Omise Go months ago. It seems like years ago, but Omise Go was started by a company named Omise. It's an Asian company based in 3 major cities in Asia. And I think one of them is in Japan, which is one of the big Bitcoin cities in the world. And the company, the job of the company was to go around to new companies and even existing companies who wanted to implement new payment systems for their customers. So if the customer wanted to, I mean, if the business wants to set up debit card payment, credit card payment, check payment, PayPal payment, all these other options, they call Omise, and Omise comes out to the business and gets them all set up, and all they have to do is, you know, scan the item and let the customer pay any way he wants. But a lot of people were asking them to set up Bitcoin payment and Ethereum payments. So Omise finally said, hey, you know what, we can get on this action. There's a lot of people that want this. So let's develop our own coin, and we can implement Omise or Omise Go into their payment options too, and we'd have a built-in automatic roadmap for even more money than we're already making. And they were already making a lot. They were the big one in Asia. And McDonald's started hopping on board, and some, I forget the other businesses, but some big businesses said, yeah, let's do this. Let's set up Bitcoin, and sure, you can do Omise while you're here too, or Omise Go. And so they did. They developed their own coin. They hired the absolute biggest, best minds in the world to help them and to give them advice and to work with them and develop this coin called Omise Go. And they did it. They developed it. And I don't know how they do it, but their volume's always high and their price is always low. So, and real low. I mean, below $10. So that was it. That's why they started, and that's how they started. And in the meantime, they also set out, there's millions and millions and millions of people in Asia that don't have a bank account and don't have access to banking, the whole banking industry. And so all these people have is cash. They get paid in cash, and they exist in cash, or whatever their currency is. And so that means they can't shop online, they can't invest, it cuts them out. It just, if you don't have a bank account, how can you do anything? How can you function in the year 2007? But the banks in Asia are very, 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 very strict on who they allow to have a bank account. And so they were shut out of that whole market. So Omise set up a system where they can walk into one of their locations and pay in cash, or they can do it through their ATMs, or they can just get paid in Omise Go. Because the companies, like these big ones, like McDonald's, and they have all these lists of companies, and they were like, give your employees the option of getting paid in Omise Go if they want to, if they want to shop online, if they want to invest, if they want to trade Bitcoin, if they want to, and so that's what these businesses started doing. So it opened up this whole brand new world of crypto users, and it's still a new company, and they're still building this base, and a lot of people say this coin is absolutely going to explode. The people love it. The fees are low. Everything is awesome. It's fast, and so that's Omise Go. There's information out there. Just go to their website and read the white paper. Study the coin. Listen to people. Some people know what they're talking about. If you want to go dig up my article, it's somewhere on Steam, and just do a search for, I forget the title of the article, a closer look at Omise Go. Do a search for that, and you'll find me. And I want to say happy Thanksgiving to all my brothers and sisters out there, and you crypto heads rock. It's the greatest family I've ever imagined. You're all a bunch of crazy asses, and I love you. Peace.